Hi there and welcome to this tutorial on how to anchor a gazebo to concrete. In this video, we'll be showing you the steps to securely fasten your gazebo to concrete so you can enjoy your outdoor space without worry. Step 1. Measure and mark the location of the anchor bolts. The first step is to measure and mark the location of the anchor bolts. Take the base plate of your gazebo and place it in the desired location. Make sure the gazebo is level. Step 2. Drill the holes for the anchor bolts. Next, using a masonry drill bit, drill holes into the concrete where you mark the anchor bolts. Make sure the holes are deep enough for the anchor bolts to be fully inserted. Step 3. Insert the anchor bolts into the holes. Insert the anchor bolts into the holes and tighten them into place using a screwdriver or power drill. Make sure the anchor bolts are tight and secure. Step 4. Attach the base plate to the anchor bolts. Place the gazebo base plate onto the anchor bolts and secure it in place with washers. Make sure the base plate is level, then tighten the bolts until the base plate is securely fastened to the concrete. And that's it. Your gazebo is now securely anchored to the concrete. Enjoy your outdoor space with peace of mind, knowing your gazebo